Morning everybody, welcome back to On Candy. I hope you're all okay. We have some Saint Laurent for you all today. This is a beautiful piece of Saint Laurent. That embossed leather is just gorgeous. It is a tablet holder slash clutch slash however you want to use it. It's very neutral and very usable, so it can kind of be whatever you want it to be. You've got the beautiful embossed YSL monogram on the face. You've got a zip top closure with this lovely black hardware, and inside you have got one flat pocket here and then one flat pocket on the opposite side, and then you have got 6 card slots as well. So you can kind of use it as a documents folder, whatever you want really. It's very sort of multi-purpose. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. So all the exact measurements will be on the website. If you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this on our website where you can see all the details of it. If it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm afraid that that's because it has sold. But if you are still interested, contact us and we'll add you to our request list, and we'll email you when we get another one in. When you're on the website, you can also have a look at all of our other beautiful bags, purses and wallets. You can also sign up to our newsletter, so you get 5% off your first purchase. So yeah, before you go and do that though, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. This comes with the flannels dust bag. You've got the Saint Laurent box, you've got the Saint Laurent dust bag, and then you've got this plastic bag as well with the price tag on it, and then you have got the Saint Laurent envelope, you've got the flannels product tag, you've got the plastic envelope, you've got the control card, the device duster, the RFID card, the care card, the authenticity card, and the product tag as well. And then as well, you have got this sort of filler which keeps it nice and solid for storage. Condition wise, we have called it excellent condition throughout. It is in a beautiful, beautiful condition. There's no signs of wear. I don't think this has ever been used. The hardware, the interior, the exterior all look beautiful. Just one thing to note is that the interior has a slight scent to it. So the interior has kind of like a leathery, almost like a shoe polishy kind of smell. It's not really, really strong, but it is, you can smell it. It's quite clearly there, but it's not overpowering. I personally wouldn't notice it if it was me. But yeah, it's not a bad smell. It's not sort of a storage smell or a musty smell. It is just feels like a leathery product kind of smell. So we'll add that on so that people know what to expect when it arrives. But other than that, excellent condition throughout. It is a beautiful piece. So if you love it, check it out on the website. Like I said, the link is in the description. Go and have a look at this. Go have a look at all of our other beautiful products, and we'll see you soon with some more On Candy.